Hi everyone, this video is going to teach you how to export the video in different formats, size, and how to reduce the file size. First, go to File, click Export, select Media, or you can just Ctrl M to open the export window. Then go to the format and choose H.264. It will export as a MP4 video file, the most common file types for video. For the preset, I recommend setting it to adaptive medium bitrate or adaptive height to ensure you can get the best quality of video. For the file location, you can click here to select where you want to save your file. If you really worry about the video quality and don't care about the rendering time, you can check maximum render quality to get an even better looking output file. If you want to reduce your file size, you need to lower the bitrate. So you need to change the preset. Mine set to match source adaptive high bitrate or match source high bitrate. Now you can see the file size is begin reduced compared to before. Then you can also scroll down to the bitrate setting to reduce the target and maximum bitrate to 5 or 6 without making a huge difference in quality. Once you're ready to export your video, just click here to export, and once you finish the export, just go to your file location to watch your finished video. That's all from us. Thanks for watching.